updated classic Georgian, 5-bedroom all-brick home located in the historic area offers an attractive open floor plan with a fully finished walk-out basement and 3 full masonry fireplaces. Spacious and open, the family room with 11 feet plus ceilings and extensive crown molding and millwork includes a custom mantle with gas fireplace surrounded by built-in custom bookshelves and cabinets. A gourmet center island kitchen with newer Viking appliances services the formal dining room and breakfast areas and is open to the family room. 3 sets of French doors open to a large rear deck overlooking a private wooded 0.93 acre lot. Upstairs, the master bedroom is a relaxed retreat. The large master bath pampers its homeowners with his under-bath areas. His under-private toilets, whirlpool jetted tub, separate shower and sinks and his spacious walk-in closets complete the suite.